So this is here. See, finally he got out of an old pack of cards and played Zolis. It's a name of game with his guest until bedtime. Means the person who has given chance to stay with him, he has given, means host you can call. Host has took out one pack of cards for playing, and they played a card game. Okay, that is name is their Jolis, and that is also up to that time when they were sleeping. Means they felt sleepy and they were going to bed. Before up to that time they played. The old man was just as generous with his confidence as with his porridge and tobacco. Means here writer is telling one thing, as the old man has given porridge and tobacco to the guest, similarly he was generous with his confidence also. Confidence means he had belief in that particular person. Means he had lot of belief in the guest also. The guest was informed at once that in his days of prosperity his host had been a crofter and Ramso Ironworks at Ramso Ironworks and had worked on the land. Okay, so what he is telling, that he told, that old man told to the rat trap. You can call him peddler also because he was a seller. Peddler in the word will be used in the whole chapter. So the old man informed, given information about his days of prosperity. Prosperity means when he was rich. Okay, he had money. He told that he was working as a person who work in a rented farm. Okay, means as a farmer or as a worker. Okay, where he was working in Ramso Iron Works. Means one particular factory is there where iron work of iron is being done. So there he used to work and had worked on the land. Means he worked as a farmer also. On the land means he worked as a farmer also. Now that he was no longer able to do day labor, and now because of old age he is not able to do that much work. No longer means now, this time up, now in this time he is not able to do this. So it was his cow which supported him. Now what is there? Because he does not have job. Okay, and he had nothing. So what he started, he has one cow. So he informed this thing that he has a cow, and that cow is supporting him. How he is supporting that? See how this cow is supporting to the old man. The way is given downside. Yes, that bossy with extraordinary. Okay, bossy means the cow. Here meaning is given. Latin word was used for a cow. Means that big cow, which is extraordinary cow, that is working. How she is working? That also written. Check here. She could give milk for the creamery every day. Means this she is used for the cow. Okay. Cow was giving milk. Definitely it was giving milk because means it was an extraordinary cow, which is not usual cow. Big one. Okay. Having mm, good body also. So it used to give lot of milk. Okay. That milk he was giving to creamery. Creamery means dairy. Okay, where cream is taken out and which cheese is made, that place. And every day he was giving, and last month he had received, he means the old man. Okay, and in last month only what happened, he received what he got the money all of 30 kornor in payment. Means round about 30 rupees of Sweden you can call. Okay, Sweden money is called kronor. Okay, so that he got 30 cost. Kornor was there. 30. Clear to you? So once again, I'm repeating what was there. The old man took out a pack of cards, okay, for playing games of card, and he sat with his guest and played, okay, until both felt sleepy. After that, what happened? One thing was there. The old man was generous with his food, okay, as he has given porridge and tobacco to the guest. In the same way, he had confidence also. Confidence means he had belief in the person, okay, in his guest, and he informed his guest that in the days of, means in his good days, prosperity means in good days. Okay, his host means the person, the old man was working, okay, in one iron works, and he was a farmer also, but now his body is not supporting, so he is not working. He has stopped that day labor. Day labor means the work which he used to do at that time during the day. Okay, it was, now it is his own cow. So now it was his own cow that was supporting him. Okay, how it was supporting? Because he was milking it and taking the milk and giving it to the creamery every day, and definitely cow was very extraordinary. That's why a lot of milk was there. In this way he was earning money, and last month he got 30 kono in the payment. Further, the stranger must have seemed incredulous, for the old man got up and went to the window, took down a leather pouch which hung on a nail in the very window frame, and picked out three wrinkled 10 kornor bills. Here bills means notes. Okay. So what was there? Stranger means the guest, means rat trap, rat trap seller or peddler. He was looking him incredulous. Incredulous means unbelieving. Okay. Why? Because when he told that 30 kornor I got, that was big amount for that time. So stranger must have shown some features, okay, by shrugging by eyes or by shoulders, something. So the old man thought that he is not able to believe in him. So what he did, the old man got up from his place and went near by the window, and there one leather pouch was hanging, took that pouch down, okay, which was hanging on a nail, means the pouch was hanging on the nail. And then what he did, where it was, nail was there nearby the window. Very window means only one window was the same window, very. Okay. And picked out three wrinkled 10 korno note. And there were 10 korno, three notes were there. Bills means notes. Okay. In foreign countries, notes are called bills. Then what happened? These he held up before the eyes of his guest. Means these notes. All the three notes he opened, and he just kept before the eyes of the guest, means before peddler. Nodding knowingly. Nodding means he started swaying them. Okay, you can call it means hilate hue. And then stuffed them back into the pouch. And again, what he did, he put them back in the same pouch from where he has taken out. Next day, okay, the next day, man got up in good season. In good season means very early in the morning. Okay, the coffer means the same farmer was in a hurry to milk his cow. So the host, the coffer, he was in a hurry, means he wanted to do his work earlier. Okay, as fast as possible. What was his work at that time? He wanted to milk his cow, means he wanted to take out the milk from his cow. And the other man probably thought, other man means the guest. Okay, he also thought, what he thought, he should not stay in bed. Okay, what was there means, now the owner of the house is already up. Okay, he is out of the bed and he is going to do his work. So it is not good thing that now still if the guest is sleeping, so by watching all these things, he also thought that he must get up. Okay, when the head of the house had gotten up, I have already explained, they left the cottage at the same time. They means the farmer and the guest, and that means peddler. Both buddies, they went away from the same from that cottage at the same time. Cottage means where they were staying in the night, that place. Okay, the coffer locked the door. Okay, the farmer came. Farmer, when both the people were outside, the farmer, the coffer, you can call the same person. Okay, he locked the door and put the keys in his pocket. And finally, what he has done, that he has his own key he put in his own pocket only. Okay, in this way he had done all this work. So once again I am explaining what is there. The stranger means the guest. The guest, when he come to know about that the coffer has 30 rupees, 30 bills. Okay, so he showed a sign of incredulousness, means incredulity. He was not believing in him. Then the old man got this idea. So what he went towards the window and just took out the pouch, and in that pouch there were three notes of 10 core notes of Sweden currency. Okay. Then he took out all the three notes and just took that notes deliberately, knowingly means deliberately, in front of the farmer and showed him. Okay. And then again put them back in the pouch and hanged. Next morning, what? Both buddies got up early in the morning, very early, and the crofter wanted to milk his cow, so he went away. When he means the guest, when the guest saw this thing that the owner of the house is out of bed and he is working, so he also got up early in the morning, early in the morning, and then both buddies went away from the cottage at the same time. Crofter locked the door and put his keys in his own in his own pocket. Okay. Now you see next, the man with the red trap said goodbye. The guest, man with the red traps means the guest. He told goodbye to the farmer or to the crofter, and he just bade thank you also. And thereupon each went his own way. Thereupon means after that. So crofter went his own way because he wanted to give the milk to the creamery, and the guest, he went his own way wherever his mood is there, that place. There he did not have any place to go, particular place, but he went from there. But very important part from here starts. Okay. But half an hour later, the red trap peddler means seller, stood again before the door, means the same door from where he went in the morning. After 30 minutes, he came back and he was standing there. He did not try to get in. Okay. However, means he did not try to go inside the house or inside the cottage. He only went up to the window. What he did? He went up to the window. Smashed means broken. Okay. So broke you can use here. A pen. A pen means the glass of the window. Okay. So what he did? The red trap seller. He went to the window and just broken all the pen. Means one pen of. A pen means one pen of that particular window. Stuck his in his hand. Okay, stuck in his hand and got hold of pouch with the 30 corner. Means he just put his hand inside the window. Okay, and where the pouch was hanging, from that place he has taken out the pouch and all the 30 corners were there inside the pouch. He took the money. Okay, means he has taken out all the notes only, and thrust means again stuff. Okay, it into in in his own pocket, means all 30 rupees or 30 kono he has put in his own pocket. Then he hung the leather pouch very carefully back in its place and went away. Okay, means where it was hanging, he just hung this at the same place, that particular pouch, and went away from that place, means he ran away from there. As he walked along with the money in his pocket, he felt quite pleased with his smartness. So when he was walking on the road, okay, he was enjoying. At that time, he was very happy. Pleased with me is very happy. Because for what he was happy? Because he was thinking he is smart enough, very much smart. Okay, so on his smartness, he was very happy that he had made a fool to the crofter and all 30 corners he has stolen. Okay, he realized, of course, that at first he dared not continue on his public highway. And suddenly, what happened? In his brain, one realization came. What realization? You know very well, when somebody does any wrong work, then some specific realizations are there in a particular brain. So he also understood one thing. What he understood? That anybody may catch him. So what he did? He did not continue on the public highway, means the common highway where everyone goes. So that place he did not go. Okay, but must turn off the road. So what he should do? What he thought, that he should leave the same road, means public highway, and into the woods. And where he should go? Where forest is there. You should learn wood is one material noun. Very important part is there. Wood never takes s. Okay, if it is used as a material, okay, then woods never takes s. Wood. When we are making wood with s, means it's plural, then the meaning of this word changes and then it becomes forest. Okay, so here woods means forest. I did not write the meaning, but you should understand this fact. Okay, so this meaning is clear to you, I think. So what total things are happening? I'm telling once again. Okay, so the man who was a rat trap seller, he just bade goodbye to the old man, and after that, both buddies went their own ways. And after 30 minutes, what happened? The rat trap seller once again came back to the same cottage, and he did not try to enter inside the cottage. What he did, in place of that, from outside only, he broke one pane of the window and just put his hand inside, put his hand inside, and after that what he tried, that he took the pouch outside and all the 30 rupees, okay, and the money he has kept in his own pocket, and then hung the same leather pouch at the same place where it was hanging, and then he walked. Okay, that means he ran away from same place, from the place. But in the way, he realized that he should not continue the same public highway, okay, the common highway. He should go somewhere else. Then he thought that he must enter in the woods. Okay, he must enter in the woods. One. So next what happens, let's see. During the first hours, means in beginning time, okay, in the beginning you can call it, this caused him no difficulty. This means the theft which he has committed, okay, he did not get any difficulty because he entered in the wood and he was moving. Later in the day, okay, means after some time you can call it, it became worse, means the situation went, okay, wrong with him. How? For it was a big and confusing forest. So forest was very much big. Over that, the ways of the forest were difficult to understand. So he became confused. Okay, means the whole way, the whole forest was confusing where to go and where not to go. Had gotten into, means where the place, the wood where he entered, that particular forest was very difficult to understand. Which side to move and which side should not be moved. The person should not move. He was not able to get that. He tried to be sure to walk in a definite direction. Means he tried his own best, okay, as much was possible, that he should go only in a single direction. A definite direction means at one particular place, okay, so that he can go out of the forest. But the paths twisted back and forth, but the ways were there in the forest inside. They were not simple. Okay, one was going this side, then another was turning. Okay, some were straight, some were round, so strangely, and these were this much strange. He walked and walked without coming to the end of the wood. Means as much he walked, but he was not able to come out from the forest. And finally he realized, means he understood one thing, that he had only been walking around in the same part of the forest. Okay, means from where he started his journey, okay, in the forest, inside the forest, he moved. Okay, and after 2 and 3 hours he came back to the same place, because the ways of the forest were not clear to him. All the ways were very confusing. So he understood one thing, that he is not able to, or he was not able to go out of the forest. At once he recalled his thoughts. Okay, all at once means at the means suddenly you can call. Suddenly he recalled, means he remembered. What he remembered? Suddenly he remembered one idea was there in the morning in his brain, the same idea, his thought about the world. What was that idea? About the world and rat trap. In the morning, he thought that this world is a big rat trap. All the people, all the things, villages, cities, okay, buildings, all these things are just pieces of something as cheese or something, so that the human beings can be trapped. Now his own turn came, and now he thought that he is caught in the same trap. Okay, his own turn is there. He had let himself be fooled by bait, and he felt this thing, that now the world has given, okay, the world has put in a bait forth, and then he has touched it, and now he is entrapped. What is his condition? Had been caught, and now he himself is caught in the same trap of the world. The whole forest, with its trunk and branches, its thickets and fallen logs, closed upon him like an impenetrable prison from which he could never escape. Now, what was he thinking? The whole forest, okay? Whole forest means the every part of forest. What word is there? Its trunks, means the trunks of all trees, even branches of all trees. And thickets means its denseness. Okay. And the logs means all the fallen wood pieces are there which are on the ground. They, everything just closed upon him. Okay, means he is inside it, and the whole trap is closed from every side. And it is which kind of prison? Impenetrable, means nobody can go out from it. Okay, impenetrable means impossible, or this much dense that nobody can understand from which side to where, or how should come out from that place, from which he could never escape. And now he was thinking that there are, means there had been no chances to come out from that place. Escape means to save, okay, to get away. So he was not getting us any kind of solution that how to come out from the place. So this was his situation. So once again, I am giving summary of this particular part. What is that? During, in means in the beginning, the rat trap seller did not have any kind of problem. But after some time, when he was wandering in the forest, he found that forest was little difficult. Means the ways in the forest were not clear. And when he was trying to come out from forest by walking in a particular direction, in a single direction, as definite direction is given in one single direction, okay, he tried his hard, but the ways, the path means the ways of the forest were very much twisted. They were going in back and forth, means sometime forward, sometime backside, and they were this much strained that when he walked and walked and he tried to come out of the wood, finally he found out one thing, that he was not able to come out from the forest. And what was his situation? He reached at the same place from where he started, and suddenly he remembered his idea which he thought in the morning, okay, in the beginning, or you can call in the advent of the chapter, when we have started the chapter. At that time, the one idea was there. He already had this thought that the whole world is one kind of a trap, okay, means rat trap kind, and all the things, all the belongings of the world, they are just all baits. Okay, baits means chara. And now he was thinking that his own turn is there. What was there? His own turn came, and he had befooled himself. Okay, as the line is written, he had let himself be befooled by bait. Means bait was put in front of him, and then he got befooled, and he is caught in the trap. And the whole forest is symbolic of, means the whole forest is symbol of this trap. How it is, with its trunk and branches and all dense condition, even logs, all these they are just making one kind of trap, okay, where this red trap seller or the peddler is enclosed, okay, means he is not able to go out. And this trap is impenetrable, means this kind of that nobody can understand uh, from where the way should be found out to go out. Okay, that condition was not clear to him, and he thought now he would never be able to escape from the trap, from that rat trap. In this way, writer has explained the condition of rat trap seller. Okay, till here we will study today, and remaining part we will study next day.